What's the meaning of car seat? Car seat. Car seat.
Car seat. Car seat. A car seat is a type of seat specifically designed to be used in a car. It is intended to provide safety and comfort for passengers during car rides. It can come in various sizes and designs depending on the age, weight, and height of the passenger. Most car seats are equipped with seat belts or harnesses to secure the passenger in place and protect them in the event of a collision. Proper installation and usage of car seats can greatly reduce the risk of injury or death in car accidents.